first step in installing your green drain is to remove the screen from your floor drain. Be sure to put the screws in a safe place so they don't fall into the trap. Next, select the proper size of green drain to insert into the floor drain. In this case, a 2-inch model. Push the green drain until it becomes flush with the top of the valve. Be sure that the skirts have not become inverted during installation. Once that's complete, let's reinstall the screen to the top of the floor valve. And now the green drain is functional in protecting your facility.
The green drain is built with a precisely fitted durable skirt, ABS housing, and high-quality outer anchoring materials, all fitted together to provide the best possible guard for your drain.